scare me.
That was scary too. People are gonna see our donuts and think we're fat.
They'll just look at you and know that you're
No.
I've lost a few pounds.
Oh, you're back on the juice?
Yeah,
Zero sugar sparkly ice.
I love these. I start getting those instead of Fresco in the store.
No, I don't like those.
Those are
Are we locked in? Throwing away gold. It's like throwing away gold.
some of these, like there's an iguana in this one. This is what they eat in Belize, is iguana.
You can eat iguanas?
Yeah, they eat them in
they
South
barbecue.
Florida,
It's like
yeah.
barbecue.
Ew.
You've never had iguana?
No. Have you?
Keef, yeah, Keef definitely has. I have not. You know, he's traveled all over the world.
They've experienced a lot of different
Alaska.
flavors.
He used to date a girl a few years ago that used to make him iguana.
Soup. They usually make soup.
Yeah.
So we don't keep any of this there. Just one?
Yeah. He doesn't want him. He wants,
He just said keep 3 of them for me.
oh, well. Now then he turned into a seller. Jones, I found a piece of property in that neighborhood. 2016 isn't shit. No, it's not. 86 is a good.
600 even.
I say we keep 32.
3, 2, 4,
Sell
6,
half a
8.
monster box. We sell 240 of them.
Let's just keep 100.
Well, we're not negotiating. What are you doing? Like, I'm trying to keep 60. You want to keep 100?
Yeah.
Doesn't even make sense.
Oh, geez. We're dropping it. Look at that nugget. That's a real nice nugget. All of this getting melted today. Cuban bracelet, gold coins, buffalo, beautiful necklace, beautiful bracelet, diamonds. Look at that beauty. All going bye-bye.